Hey guys, Enzo here, son of a pizza man. How are you? Welcome to Frozen Fridays, where we talk about frozen pizza. Today, I am here with Erin from Encyclopizzeria.com.
Hi.
And what are we talking about today?
So I picked the Screamin' Sicilian Mambo Italiano pizza.
It's right on my alley.
Yes.
I'm not a screamer though. I'm like a whispering Sicilian.
You're the only silent Sicilian.
I'm a low talking Sicilian.
So yeah, so I totally picked this because of the packaging. They got me. It is really, really cool.
I love this packaging. The cutout in the front is also amazing.
It's so awesome. Yeah. And you saw like in that cutout though, the toppings were just so big and like the meat topping on here was just great. And so the Mambo Italiano has on it, and look at this like wording, thick, rich, robust tomato sauce, Wisconsin whole milk mozzarella, Italian meatballs, rough chopped peppercorn, and they have like the little Wisconsin cheese logo there at the bottom, which like being from the Midwest, cheese is pretty important, and nobody does cheese like Wisconsin.
It's true.
And yeah, and then just everything. They have like a little mustache that you can pop out in the back and wear.
This looks like a really like fun company, so I think that's part of the reason why I like it. I think the design evokes a sense of like, I don't know, just like weird, fun, probably tasty pizza. So
yeah, hopefully tasty.
It looked really promising. It's in the oven right now, so
yeah. It has to bake though for 20 to 22 minutes, so it really should deliver. I feel like if you're baking a frozen pizza for almost the same amount of time that you can get one delivered to your house.
Yeah.
So let's see. I'm just so intrigued with this frozen pizza. I think that what they're doing is great, and I hope that the taste lives up to the hype of the box.
And this is the pizza you take when you're going to the mattresses.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know.
Is that a Wisconsin saying?
Yeah, I don't know. What does taking to the mattresses mean? If you know, please comment below.
Yeah, we really want to know.
Let us know. Bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, let's wait for the pizza, and then we'll be back with hot screaming Sicilian in our mouths.
Mambo Italiano.
Well, welcome back. So we are about to taste the Screaming Sicilian pizza. What are your expectations for this?
So here's what the pizza looks like. And my expectations are, the box really, your expectations are high with that box. The cheese off the bat, it's not super cheesy.
It's not. I mean, it's really brown. I don't know if that's just because it's
22
too
minutes
long or something. I don't know, but
we'll see.
All right.
Whoa, lost a meatball.
I like it. I like the crust is it's like a crust. It's like a meaty crust.
Yeah, the crust is really good actually. It's clearly mozzarella cheese too, which is good. Which is good. We like that.
There's a good amount of sauce. Also, the meatballs on this are really good. FYI. They taste like they're almost like homemade.
Yeah, I was just gonna say they do not taste at all
they don't taste processed.
Yeah, it doesn't even taste like it was frozen.
Yeah, it's weird.
But I really like this. This is really great.
Good. It's really good. How much was it?
It was $9. Well, it was $8.49, so it was a high-end pizza. You're gonna want to bring it over, to a friend's house that you care about.
Right, not someone you don't like.
Yeah, you don't want to just bring it over to any movie night. No. You just want to bring it. You want to be like the movie night you're trying to.
This is good. Watch. This would be a good date pizza.
Yeah,
you're trying to
Hey, I brought my.
Hey, girl.
Mambo Italiano pizza.
And the best part.
This is great.
The pizza.
Yeah, you have to show the back of the box first.
So the back of the box has this this fun little mustache.
Which is kind of gross because you have to stick it in your nose, which is a little gross, but we're doing it.
See? How fun is that?
Yeah,
Come on.
You know. So while you wait.
Just make sure you clean your boogers out
Yeah,
before you do that, because when you pull that sucker out.
Yikes.
No.
Yikes.
Not cute.
Yeah, I want to say the crust is a 5 for sure. The toppings, if I could give them a 6, I would. That is how good the toppings are.
Okay.
The sauce, a 5. The cheese, a 5. I want to say 5 all around. The presentation, obviously a 5. I don't know. What about you?
I'm not gonna give the cheese a 5. I think I'm gonna give it a 4. I don't know. But I agree with everything else. The toppings, I can't get over how good those meatballs are.
Yeah, the meatball was phenomenal.
Yeah. So
very serious about the meatball.
So overall, you're giving it a 5? Awesome. Thanks guys for watching, and if you want to get a hold of Erin, how do people get a hold of you?
So you can find me on the internet at encyclopizzeria.com and on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram at encyclopizzeria. So reach out there.
Yeah, reach out and touch us. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the social medias. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe, or comment below. And I guess until next time, ciao for now.
Bye.
Pizza night.